Hey weirdlings, Kit Kinetic here. Rhett's napping in the car, and we are in an Illinois rest area that is 2 stories, has a playground, and has an ice cream vending machine. How weird is that? Yeah, I just figured I'd pop in, say hi, and let y'all know what's going on. We skipped Chicago because, oh my goodness, the drivers around here are interesting. The roads appear to be being worked on, but it looks as if it hasn't happened in a long time. There's some windmills out there, kind of reminds me of home. But, you know, Green Bay, that was fun. Thanks again, fam. I think I've got a few more options for places to live. Oh, goodness. I kind of want to play on the swings. Anyways, talk to y'all later. Bye. You must record this. You must. Ice cream! It's gonna shatter the taco shell, right? Yep.
Probably.
That's okay. So worth it. So worth it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna get me something. What am I getting?
I don't know. What are you getting? You know, if they'd have had something that wasn't totally chocolatey or an orange cream bar, I probably would have gone for that.
There's a white fudge bar.
Ew.
Ice cream bar, North Star. Fondant Crunch. Haagen-Dazs. They have Haagen-Dazs.
Choco taco.
I'm gonna get the Haagen-Dazs vanilla and almond. That's B4.
All of the ice cream.
The arm.
Vacuum arm.
Stick my hand in so I can catch it.
Dangle and drop.
Oh wait, this is cushioned.
Nice. And the change.
All change. I don't have a coin pouch.
Uh-oh.
That's why I put all the coins in my wallet. Oh, hi, people.
We were fascinated by the ice cream.
Yeah. We are in Illinois.
Yeah.
Don't ask me where.
Willow Creek Rest Area, I think it is.
Yeah. It's a freaking 2-story place.
It's a 2-story rest area. With a playground, there are swings.
There are swings. We have to go swinging.
Okay. Before we go, we will swing.
Yes. I love swings. Yeah.
They don't love me. My butt's a little wide for them.
They are for me too, but you know. What is the date?
Today is October 9th. It is a Monday.
What's on the bottom floor?
More bathrooms, a couple more vending machines. No ice cream, though.
Oh, not worth it. Let's go down there anyway.
I did. That's where I used the potty. Potty. Potty, 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 potty. Okay, laters, because I want to eat my ice cream. No.
Hi, Miriam.
Bye.
Not that hard.
Okay. Improve the challenge rating. We have issues.
And you're filming my boobs.
Yep.